Hi everyone, welcome to Integration Users.
Today I'm going to write the calculator program using switch mechanism on webMethods on-prem and on IO integration.
Also on MuleSoft.
Let's jump into the code. First go to the on-prem designer. I'm using 10.15 version here. Take the new package with the name on-prem integrations. Create the folder now with the same name and create the required folders. Now create a flow service and give a name like calculator. Then configure the input and output in input output tab. Here I want two inputs for the two numbers and one output for the result and save it. Okay, we need to have one more input like operator to give input for plus, minus, multiplication like that. Now take the branch step and we are going to have a condition based on the operator. So copy the operator variable, paste it the switch property. Now take one map type plus in label. Now invoke add-ins in transformers. Then map the two inputs to the service inputs. And one out to result and drop the unnecessary variable. Now take another step for subtraction and do the same. Now it is time for multiplication. Finally, for division, so all completed. Now test the flow. It's good for addition, it is working, but we don't need the operator variables. So let's drop it in all the steps. Yeah, addition is working as expected. Subtraction is also working. Multiply also working. Finally, division also working. Now if we divide the number with 0, see, we got the exception. Let's take try catch. And let's copy all the code in try block. In catch block, take get lost error as usual. So let's debug now. Here we captured the error in document form, so we can handle it easily. Okay, this is an on-prem designer. Now we will see same problem with IO integration. Login into the IO integration. We will continue in default package itself. In flow service, create new flow service. Let's name it as calculator here. Just to type here try. You can see the try catch step. Select it. In that box, just try to type branch and select it. We forgot to take inputs and outputs. Let's create inputs here as one input, and into is another input, and finally action. So click on done. Now just select there in the expression with the variable action equal to plus. It's for addition. So here select that add-ins one and map the fields. Save it. So for the next step, you can click on that plus button so that you will get the next step. Oh, it's not here. It's not correct. Okay. So this is the correct one. So this is the expression. So I am deleting the above one which was wrong. And here select the expression. Yeah, give expression like with variable action equal to. Now it is for subtraction, so it is minus. Do the same as add-ins. We take the subtractants and repeat the same. Map it and to num2. But these implicit mappings are not disappearing. So let's drop them. In the above step, just drop them. Save it. And now and subtracts. Yeah, the implicit mappings are disappeared now. So drop here also. Now it is the time for multiplication. And next step, expression and action equal to asterisk. Here multiplication of integers. New pipeline, map them. Dropping here. And finally now we are implementing the code for division. So we take the expression and action equal to slash means we are using it for division. So now in the next step, just select the division ins in the math function only. Yeah, division ins. Now go to the mappings now and map the inputs to. Save it. Drop them. Drop all the variables. Now we are logging some message for default case. It is better practice to give default case for every switch operation. So just choose an invalid action. Means if you give apart from the plus minus asterisk and slash, it will become to default case. In cashback, give a get lost error. And then finally, we can take the transform pipeline, which is same as map step in the on-prem designer. So we can use it for drop variables and assign the variables. I'm just commenting like dropping variables. Just running. So I see the result to plus 1325. We don't need all these variables. Just drop them in the finally black. Here actually I have dropped them. I will undrop here and drop in the finally black. Save it. Go to the finally black and drop here. And one drop into drop action. Drop. Save it. Now run. Yeah, addition is successful now. And it's the time for subtraction. Let's give another variables like 120 and 20. So subtraction. Yeah, 100. It is right. Now multiplication. Asterisk and 2400. It is correct. Now it is time for division. 120 by 20. 6. It is correct. So this is the thing how we are implemented on the IO integration.
Now we will see how can we do that in MuleSoft Anypoint Studio. Before going to that, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Here I have extracted the Anypoint Studio. Now run the Anypoint Studio. Select your workspace here. Yeah, now it's open. Just click on continue to studio. Please wait till it completely loaded. Then only we can run the program. Otherwise, it will not allow to execute the program. It's still loading. As this is first time, it takes time definitely. It's loading very slowly. No, I don't want any updates now. So I think it is done. We can create the new project. So I'm giving like calculator. Yeah, I'm using this runtime server. If you want to install any other runtime servers, you can click here and you will get all the servers which are available. So I want to go with this one only. Finish it. So this is my package, calculator package. So as this is MuleSoft, we have to run this on it's better to run this from Postman, so that we need to take the listener first. Take the listener. I'm adding listener. Now we have to configure the listener. just click it. You will get all the configuration details inside the Mule Properties tab. So I don't have any configuration here. I have to create the new one. Just create it, add. So this is the default configuration details, like which was provided by Anypoint Studio. I will I'll go through with these details only. Just check whether the connection is available or not. So it is checking. It's very slow. Okay, test connection is successful. Okay. Yes, it was added. We have to give the resource path here. However, we have given in web methods like a resource name. So I'm giving here as calc. To differentiate the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we need a variable actually. Like how we taken the variable in web methods like action and operator. Here also we need to take that. So I'm preparing the payload here. Based on this payload, we are going to perform all the operations. Select raw and here select the JSON as our data is in JSON format. I'll prepare the data now. JSON. So every JSON will start with flower bracket and variable like a and the value and same variable b and that value also. And we need another variable like operator to differentiate the addition, subtraction, etc. Operator. For now, I'm giving plus. So remember this. This is the payload. We have three variables a, b, and operator. So now how we define these variables like payload dot a, payload dot b, and payload dot operator in the MuleSoft. I'll show you that now. In web methods, we have branch step. By using that branch step, we have performed the operations like addition, subscriber, and here also we need one transformer. For that, just take the choice. We have choice actually here. Yeah, this one. Take the choice. This is like switch case and branch case. Like whenever it is satisfied, it will be execute here. If not, it will come here and execute this block. So now I just wanted to mention like when you just click like this, then only it will take the parameters. Otherwise, it takes like string like this. It is a program like it will take. If you click on this function, it reads as a function. So here we have to give like it is payload, right? Payload dot a. So what we need, we are actually performing some condition based on the operator variable. So payload dot come here and copy it equal to what we did, plus. So whenever it is plus, we have to give the addition. For addition, in what we did in the web methods, we just take in the map step, and under inside the map step we have added the transformer like add-ins. Now also we have to go to the go for the map step. Here map step is nothing but transform message. So take this transform message and drag here. Just click on this. Now come to here payload. So as we are sending the JSON, we have selected JSON. Here replace Java with JSON, application JSON. And what we need actually a output variable like value. For that value, what I need to do, I just wanted to have this is plus, right? So plus means sum of A and B. A and B means payload dot A plus payload dot B. Okay, that's it. So do the same for all the things, but here you see only the two blocks we have, but we have several blocks like plus, minus, multiplication and division. To get more blocks, just we select the transfer message and drag it to here, drop. See, now you got one more. So for this also, just click on when, and this expression, in that expression mode, give like payload dot operator. Okay, payload dot operator equal to now minus. So here you see here it came. Now it is JSON, should be JSON, and give like the output variable value for that payload dot A minus payload dot B. So same you do same thing for multiplication. Select it, payload dot operator equal to asterisk. Click it and come here. It is application JSON and like value payload dot A plus asterisk multiply payload dot B. Okay. Now it is for division. Yeah, right here. So it is came for division. Click on the function, enable it, and payload dot operator equal to slash. Now come here, give like payload dot A payload dot B. In default case, like call one more transfer message here and give like value, give something like chosen invalid operator. Save it.
See here it is Java. Actually we are expecting application JSON. Let it be there. We'll see what will happen. Go to console. This is the last message. It's not replying actually.
Okay, just to review once. Plus, minus, asterisk, operator, operator. Here something it is showing. Invalid input. Just click on that. What is invalid input? Should be JSON. Save it. It's not gone. Still it is there. Invalid input dot expected namespace. What is that? Payload.am. Okay, give the value here. That is not the issue actually. Value payload.am. Is it not slash or this one? Invalid input. So this is the correct one only. Save it. Now go to the console. Run it once. It's running. So let it deploy actually. So deployed. Here we can see, and here come scroll right. You can see it is calculator flow. Our flow is calculator. So it was successfully started. Now we can go to here and run the program. Okay, actually I can run now. Run it. Wow, place is working, and take the minus for subtraction. Wow, minus also working. Now asterisk for multiplication. Multiply, yeah, super. For division, very good. Everything is working. Now go to some invalid, give some invalid operator. How it will be. So let's go there and see what is happening in the default. Go here. Yeah, Java. See, here it is Java. Actually, it should be JSON because we are expecting the output as JSON in JSON format. So if we change that to JSON, it should be proper one. Remove the Java. Now let's save it. Here I see some red color. Valid input slash n. Where I given slash n? Did I give any enter? Let's see. Here it is failed. Can't I see why it is failed? output application. Oh, there is no JSON given, no. Yeah, JSON. Okay, now save. Go to the console. Yeah, it's deploying again. It's not getting open. Transform message. Let's see in the working one and compare. I see everything is same. But these lines are extra. Let me try with these lines. Actually, I don't know about these hyphens. Let's see. Save it. Yes, it got no. Oh my god, the issue with the three hyphens. Hmm. Yeah, successfully created. Now I will check the this default case. Super. I'll check again. Plus 60. Correct. Minus means 40. Right. Asterisk means 500. Per slash division means 5. Wow, super. Unlike you, any other operator will come as choose an invalid operator. Very, very nice. Actually, my first program, it was success. So this is the way how to do this calculator program in the webMethods designer and an IO integration as well as an MuleSoft Anypoint Studio. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and uh, thank you. Thanks for watching.